Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new Peugeot Motorhome 2026. A name you know for elegance and innovation, Peugeot has now entered the world of luxury motorhomes with a statement that redefines travel in comfort, technology, and design. The Peugeot Motorhome 2026 is more than just a vehicle, it's a complete mobile lifestyle. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or a serene weekend escape, this masterpiece is designed to elevate your journey from the moment you step inside. Let's begin with the exterior. The design is sleek and futuristic, with aerodynamic curves that are not only beautiful to look at but also engineered for performance and fuel efficiency. Peugeot has integrated LED matrix headlights, dynamic turn signals, and a panoramic windscreen that blends into the roofline, giving you uninterrupted views of the road and sky. The motorhome stands on 21-inch alloy wheels with a high ground clearance, perfect for both highways and off-grid exploration. The built-in solar panels on the roof ensure you're always powered up, no matter how far off the grid you travel. Step inside, and you're greeted with a space that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Peugeot has used a mix of sustainable materials, high-end finishes, and smart lighting to create an atmosphere of pure comfort. The living area features a retractable 4K OLED TV, ambient lighting, a voice-controlled smart assistant, and even a fold-out workstation for remote workers. The furniture is modular, with a sofa that converts into a bed, hidden storage compartments, and a dining table that easily accommodates 4 people. The kitchen in the 2026 Peugeot Motorhome is nothing short of amazing. Equipped with an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a convection microwave oven, and a deep stainless steel sink, you can prepare gourmet meals on the go. There's also a water purification system and a touch control panel to manage all appliances. Peugeot has truly thought of everything when it comes to living on the move. The bedroom area is a true sanctuary. A full-size memory foam mattress with temperature-regulating bedding ensures you sleep like royalty. Blackout blinds, customizable climate control, and noise insulation technology make the sleeping space perfect for rest no matter where you park. There's even a skylight above the bed, so you can fall asleep under the stars. The bathroom is compact but beautifully designed. A rainfall shower, smart toilet with bidet functions, LED mirror, and eco-water saving systems make it as luxurious as it is practical. The motorhome's water tanks are larger than ever, and with greywater recycling tech built in, your adventure can last longer without refilling. Under the hood, the Peugeot Motorhome 2026 runs on a hybrid engine system, combining a turbocharged petrol engine with a high-capacity electric battery. This not only improves fuel economy but also allows for silent electric-only driving in nature-sensitive areas. The range is impressive, and the onboard computer helps plan charging stops or switch to petrol when needed. Tech lovers will be thrilled with the level of integration. A central infotainment system controls everything from entertainment to energy usage. The motorhome also features Level 2 semi-autonomous driving with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and parking assistance. Multiple cameras surround the vehicle to ensure safety during driving and parking. In short, the Peugeot Motorhome 2026 is not just about going from one place to another. It's about enjoying the journey with unmatched style, comfort, and intelligence. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a family, this motorhome offers the freedom to explore. Without compromising on luxury, Peugeot has entered a new era, and the future of travel just got a whole lot more exciting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content like this.